In our last video, we learned how sine and cosine relate. If you didn't see that, check that out before you watch this. It will be in the description below. It will make a lot more sense. Today we will expand on that concept we learned in the last video. We know that on a graph there are 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, Quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, and Quadrant 4. We also know that a circle has 360 degrees. So if we place that circle on the graph, it will be proportional because each sector is 90 degrees. So we have 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 90 is 270, plus 90 is 360. So our circle will have a full 360 degrees. And because we know this, we know also that half a circle is 180, 3/4 of a circle is 270, and to finish it off. But what about 540 degrees and 810 degrees? Well, because we know that 360 degrees is one full rotation, we can subtract from the whole in order to find a remainder. So 540 degrees minus 360 leaves us with 180 degrees. This shows us that the circle comes around once and then goes another 180 degrees and ends at this point. So the coordinate we are talking about here is -1, 0. The same works with 810 degrees. We have 810 degrees. We can go around the circle once, 360 twice, 720, and then if we stop there, we can only go another 90 degrees to get 810 at this point here, which means that our coordinate is 0, 1. But what about negatives? Negatives are the same way, except we go clockwise instead of counterclockwise counting, starting from 0. So we'd start at 0, go to -90, -180, -270, and -360. And now we came to our examples with cosine 380 degrees, sine -340 degrees, cosine -300 degrees, and sine of 420 degrees. We know our cosines are our x's, and our sines are our y's. Now, for the positives, we will be going counterclockwise. So, for 380, we will start at 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, and right here will be 380, right at C and D. And our x here is C. Now, for our sine -340, we will go clockwise, starting at 0, -90, -180, -270, and right here will be -340, right at our D. For -300, again we will starting at 0, come around -90, -180, -270. Right here will be -300, which means that our x value here is A. Finally, that leaves 420 degrees, going counterclockwise all the way past 180, past 360, and to B as our final answer. Thank you very much for watching. If you did not see the video, go ahead and click right here to see that video. If you want to subscribe, feel free to. And as always, if you learned something or enjoyed, please leave a like and share the video. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.